Hey guys, on this special midweek episode of the OnGreenShow, I'm going to take a look at the original 6 sewer set from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. It's a redo of the original line, of the original 6 figures. Shredder, Splinter, Mikey, Raph, Donnie, and Leo. And I have some actual old toys to kind of compare them to, so let's do it. This is the original 6-pack. It came in this cool sewer box. And I don't have a Splinter from that era, but I have all these other ones. The Michelangelo is different. This is a talking Michelangelo where you pull the zip cord. But these figures look awesome. Very close to the original. And then they'll look like maybe a bit of a different plastic. A little bigger. A little musclier, slightly bigger heads, or these ones might have just shrunk over the years, but I don't think so. But these toys are awesome. We have Shredder. I don't have him with a cape or a dress. He's there. I think he probably has the same weird way to stand. The Raph here. Donnie's the most complete one I have. So since I didn't have another Splinter the same, this is one that I made to be of that era, but it was made from a Next Mutation Splinter. And I have a video I'll put a card to if you want to see how I made that. Yeah, I wish I could open these, but I don't have anywhere to put them if I do. This way I put them all back in the box. It takes up the least amount of space. I should look at this camera sometimes when I'm talking. I'm just looking at the toys. I don't know, you can tell me what you think in the comments. I think these toys are awesome and I would love to open them and play with them, but I'm a grown man and I have a small apartment. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this, I also have the villain pack. When I pre-ordered these months ago, well, I thought I justified it by having it for the show, but I thought I'd be making money by now, and I'm not. I might have to sell the villain set, but if you guys really want, let me know and I'll open them up and we can take a look. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.